In today's video, we are adding high beam assist to this 2018 VW T6. Morning guys, Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and as I mentioned just a second ago, we are working on this 2018 VW T6. So it's coming to us and it's just got the standard, I'll flip the camera around. It's got the standard rear view mirror, as you can see up here. And just so that you can see it, it has also got the auto headlights already installed, and you can maybe see the sensor just there. And just to reconfirm, it's also got the auto light switch. Now, the customer has been in a couple of times before, and we've done a few bits for him, but he wants the high beam assist where when you flick the forward flashers on, like that, you can see it there, it will also automatically just keep them on, but then readjust itself so that when you're driving down the motorway and thinking dual carriageway, if it sees another vehicle, it will dim them down and put them back on when you come back in or start driving again. So here's the new mirror, as you can see it here, and there's the camera that you can see there, and there is the housing just there. So this is all going to be installed, it's all going to be wired up and coded as per factory. I'll try and drop in halfway through the install just so that we can show it off, or show where we're at, and then we'll do our normal end video to show what it's like. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're about halfway through on the high beam assist. Richard has taken the old mirror off, the new mirror has gone in, and you can see the camera is just there waiting to be covered up with the housing. The wiring has all been done and installed into the unit up there, so that's now been nicely cloth taped and secured behind the scenes, and it runs down the A-pillar, and we're then going to be integrating into the BCM. So that's what Richard is doing down there at the moment. He's just disconnecting the BCM. He's going to pin it out appropriately as per factory, and then he's going to do the necessary coding to activate it. Now, once this is all done, we're going to do a quick sort of show of how it works, if we can do in the confinements of our workshop, just to give you an idea. It probably will just involve us showing you that the high beam assist is activated and waiting, but we won't be able to replicate a car coming or anything like that. So stay tuned. Right, we're done. High beam assist, all in, all installed, coded, wired and activated, and working very lovely. So I don't know if you can see it. New rear view mirror in there, and you can see the camera just looking nice and neat within its housing. Here was the existing one, just so that you can see it in comparison. No camera, and then there's your connector. On the new one, you have a different connector, which is pretty straightforward. And then I'll just go around and into the vehicle. So it's still an auto dimming mirror. So it will dim. Hopefully you can see the, but as you can see, all genuine parts, looks lovely and working hunky-dory. So there isn't too much that I can show you, but I will turn the van on, put it on auto lights, and as you can see, the screen's dimmed and the lights have come on and all that sort of business. So using the indicator and light stalk, all you do is, so you'll know from the normal pulling towards you, you've got your high beams. Now if you push forward, you've then noticed this little automatic light beam is active, and even if you sort of do a flash, it stays there in place. So what this means is the high beams are currently on, and I'll just get out the vehicle and show you that. So you can see them there working high beams. And then to deactivate, you just push forward again. It puts you on high beam, and then you just pull backwards, and there it is, off. So this is the genuine VW T6 high beam assist retrofit. All genuine Volkswagen parts, supplied and fitted. It's quite a straightforward install, if I'm honest. So we'll probably be able to do a kit with instructions, but that will be on the listing, but we'll probably start it off as a supply and fit option only. But yes, if you've got this vehicle and want to get in touch with us, if you own a VW T6 and you love the retrofit videos, please make sure you subscribe to the channel using the link down below and hit that bell notification so that you get notified whenever we do a video. And as always, thanks for watching.